Here's how to install a WiperBlades USA gold beam blade on a narrow push-button wiper arm. First, prepare the vehicle by placing a piece of cardboard or floor mat under the driver's side wiper to prevent damage to the windshield. Begin with the driver's side wiper. Locate the button on your wiper arm. With one hand, firmly press down on the button, while the other hand firmly pulls the wiper out of the wiper arm slot. Select the longer blade in the set. This is usually for the driver's side. First, let's confirm what type of push-button wiper arm you have. Try and insert a penny into the end of the arm. If the penny does fit in the hole, then you have a wide push-button arm type. If the penny does not fit in the hole, then you have a narrow push-button arm type. The B2 adapter works for both wide push-button arm types and narrow push-button arm types. These wings allow for the wide push-button arm types, but they must be removed for the narrow push-button arm types. To remove them, use your fingers or pliers to grab and pop out the wings. Then twist them until they break off. This design allows us to provide two different size wiper arms with a single adapter, saving both money and the planet. Remember to remove both side wings. Now this B2 adapter is ready to be received by a narrow push-button arm. Firmly grab the wiper and slide it into the wiper arm slot. Be sure the button latches into the wiper arm hole. Carefully place the wiper down on the windshield and remove the cardboard. After repeating these steps for the passenger side, discard the trash and remember to drive safe.